Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me today. I am really excited to kick off this giving series with you. When we first talked about this in our last video, it was going to be 12 days of giving. And since then, a few other vendors have reached out and they don't want to miss the fun. So it's going to be a little bit longer than 12 days, but I'm sure that you don't mind. So let's go ahead and get our first started. I'm going to be sharing with you in these series of videos all of my favorite vendors that I enjoy buying from. Let's start with the spotlight today on Bella and Bear. So this summer I was working in the yard and my hands were so dry from not wearing my gloves and working with the soil. And so I was looking for something not only that would gently exfoliate, but also moisturize my skin. So I searched online extensively for a rose scented hand scrub, and I kept only the best. And so with that, I kept Bella and Bear's Rose and Ivy. If you're not familiar with what a scrub is, imagine if you had a sugar mixture in your hands and you're rubbing the sugar mixture so it's gently exfoliating your skin underneath the water. When you are finished rinsing off your hand, they're going to be moisturized so that you don't feel like you need to use lotion. So it's just a great way to pamper yourself after a hard day working in the yard. I make sure that I have a scrub in every bathroom with a really nice hand brush to clean up. To make me feel that like I've been pampered. So you know that I love the product. Let's talk about the company. So not only are they vegan and cruelty free, which you know is important to me, they are a small business and they use recycled plastic. So it's just a home run for me on every front for this company. If you go directly to their website, look at this. They've got a cute little picture of these adorable cats that they named the company after. This is Bella and Bear. As you're scrolling through their shop, you'll see that not only do they have shampoos and conditioners and masks and bath salts, they have so many different products, so many different scents. You're going to have a great time finding products that you like, and it's very reasonably priced. You can buy directly from bellaandbear.com, and if you go to sign up, you'll get 20% off of your first purchase. You could also buy through Amazon, and I see that they're also going to be selling through Rite Aid.com. Bella and Bear have been so kind that they would like for 12 of you to try the product. So we're going to do a giveaway, and I'd like you to comment down below in the comments. We are going to pick the winners 2 videos from now because I want to give people time to be able to comment on the video. I hope that you will consider ordering from Bella and Bear if you are in the market for a hand scrub. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.